Welcome everyone. In today's chapter, we're going to do a short interview with an experienced system engineer who is joining us today. Okay, let's start with the interview. First, why did you decide to study system engineer and have you fulfilled the expectations you had regarding your professional phase?
Okay, I decided to study systems engineering because I have always been interested in how complex systems work and how they can be optimized for efficiency and performance. I was drawn to the interdisciplinary nature of the field, which combines elements of computer science, electrical engineering, and other fields. As for whether I have fulfilled my expectations regarding my professional phase, I will say that I have exceeded my expectations in some areas and still have room for growth in others.
What is your strange or specific area in which you work at the moment?
Well, my current area of strength is in network architecture and design. I have extensive experience designing complex networks for organizations with diverse needs, such as high availability, scalability, and security. I am skilled in network topology, routing, switching, load balancing, and firewalls. Additionally, I have experience implementing and integrating various network technologies and protocols. I enjoy working in this area because I find it challenging to design and implement network solutions that meet the unique needs of each organization.
Interesting. Based on your experience, how do you see the labor file for system engineers?
In my experience, the labor field for systems engineers is very promising. That the demand for system engineers has been increasing steadily in recent years, and I believe this trend will continue as business and organizations increasingly rely on technology to operate and innovate.
I see. What do you think are the main skills that a system engineer needs to stand out in the industry?
There are several skills that are important for a system engineer to have in order to stand out in the industry. First and foremost, a strong technical foundation is essential, including expertise in areas such as networking, software development, and data management. I believe that a strong combination of technical skills, problem solving abilities, communication skills, and adaptability are key for a system engineer to stand out in the industry.
Do you prefer to work alone or in a team and why?
I am comfortable working both independently and as a part of a team. Well, I value the focus and the autonomy that come with working alone, and I also recognize the benefits of collaboration and the different perspective that can be brought to a project by working with others. Ultimately, my preference depends on the specific project and the needs of the team.
I see. What is the most important thing to take into account when planning a new project?
Well, the most important thing to take into account when planning a new project is to clearly define the project requirements and objectives. This includes understanding the scope of the project, the desired outcome, and any constraint or limitation that may impact the project's success.
Interesting. How do you keep up with the technological advance and incorporate them into your work?
As a systems engineer, I make sure to stay current with technological advances by reading industry publications, attending conferences and webinars, and participating in online communities. I also make an effort to experiment with new technologies and incorporate them into my work when appropriate, always keeping in mind the specific needs and constraints of the systems I work on.
Wow, everything you have told us today has been very interesting, but unfortunately, we have run out of time. Thank you very much for being with us and answering our questions. Until next time, see you.